Family-owned dairy farm here in Indiana is bringing back an old tradition, the milkman. Keener Dairy is a sixth-generation farm in Fort Wayne that's now getting back to its roots. The milk house serves multiple flavors of milk in glass bottles, and customers can bring them back to the store for in-store credit. Now they're taking their tradition a step further, dropping bottles right off at people's doors, just like in the old days.
Well, that's in the next stage of plans here, is to bring back the milkman, where we have glass bottles and do home delivery and have little milkman trucks that we drive around, and you put an order in, and then we bring glass bottles right to the porch. We really think that would be an awesome idea to have our milk delivered and have cheese curds and butter delivered right to your door.
And the family hopes to have fresh dairy products on delivery trucks within the next 3 months. And of course, here in Indianapolis, you can still have milk delivered in glass bottles by Oberweis.